Before he was diagnosed, before 2 years, uh, he fell in love with a girl named Jane White. So he thought, my name is Aditya Sengupta, my father's name is Chandran Sengupta. I read in class 7 in St. Ignatius High School, and my father is a teacher in the same school as I am in. I am going to be talking about a different topic than I ever had. I asked Navis sir that let me choose my topic myself, so Navis sir allowed me. I am going to be talking about a biography of a great scientist. I am talking about Mr. Stephen William Hawking. Mr. Stephen William Hawking was born on 8th January 1942 in Oxford, England. His father was a medical researcher, and his mother was one of the first women who were graduated from Oxford University. Mr. Hawking completed his primary schooling from Barron High School, London. According to him, he wasn't able to give a good performance in his primary schooling life because the conventional study method wasn't able to suit him, or he wasn't able to understand the conventional study method. At the age of 16, he made a computer with the help of his mathematics teacher, by the help of a wall clock and a telephone machine. He started his university education from Oxford University at the age of 17. First 18 months were very boring for him. There were two reasons. First, he was the youngest of all of them, and second, the syllabus was very easy for him. In the last years of his university education, when he was interviewed by 3 interviewers, one of his interviewers had said that when we were interviewing Mr. Hawking, then we all realized that he was the most intelligent person in our room. Then he started his PhD from Cambridge University at the age of 20. But unfortunately, he was diagnosed at the age of 21. He felt depressed because the doctor said that he will be dead under 2 years because of the mortal neuron disease. Then he thought that before he was diagnosed, before 2 years, he fell in love with a girl named Jane White. So he thought that if I have to marry her, then I will have to get a job. If I will have to get a job, then I will have to complete my PhD. Then he thought that completing PhD is so hard under 2 years, but he tried. According to Mr. Hawking, that was the first time of his life that he worked too much hard. He completed his PhD under 2 years. By the money of his PhD, he married Miss Jane and went to honeymoon in the Phoenix. After coming from honeymoon, he submitted his thesis, and when he was lecturing about it, who was the chairman of that time, he said that it was the worst performance of my life, but fortunately his thesis was accepted and he was inducted to the Royal Society, what was used to be the position of Newton. After that, Mr. Hawking got 2 children, Robert and Lucy, and the whole family shifted to California. Mr. Hawking fortunately wasn't dead under 2 years, but he got chest infection and slowly his body got paralyzed. When he was shifted in California, after 1 or 2 months, one of his eyebrows was working. he used to communicate with that. Due to the very busy life of Mr. Hawking and caregiving, Mr. Hawking as Miss Jane was divorced in 1995. But after few years, he married with his caregiver. But the relationship wasn't last longer. By then, his only cheek muscle was working, and he used to communicate with that. Now, how was he used to communicate with that? I'll tell you. After the second divorce, he wrote 3 books, and he got more than 23 medals: Eddington Medal, the Wolf Medal, the Prince of Austria, and more than 23. He used to lecture in the Cambridge University in his last days, and unfortunately he was dead on 14th March 2018 due to heart attack. So I want to say that if a person like him, whose body was fully paralyzed, he can do these things, so why not we can? If he can write 3 books, then why not we can? We have our whole body. That's what I meant to say. Thank you.